Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video we're going to talk about how to get started installing your balusters. So we're using these rectangular balusters on our deck rail here, and I just wanted to show you how to get started. You always want to start with the middle one. It's really tempting to start at one side, but then you're going to end up uneven with the gapping on more than one side, so you have to start in the middle. So the easiest and quickest way to do that is to simply use your tape measure to measure the full length. Okay. Divide it by 2, so I'm at 70 and a half, so half of that is going to be 35 and a quarter. So I'm going to come back to my 35 and a quarter. Okay, make my mark. That's going to be my center baluster that we're going to install, and then we have made a little jig for how far apart we want them all to be. So after the center one is in place and is level, then each one that we install afterwards, we're just going to place this next to it, put the next one on, and it just makes the process really quick and easy. Make sure to hit that subscribe button to see all of the content of our deck transformation. We'll
move over so we'll pull up here. You're going up, like top and the bottom of the tub. Do you want to be consistent with that? You actually like the two screws on? I'm gonna stop now. Sorry, it's not even. Is that bad? We are later. I think we're out. gonna say barbecue then, right?